Hindi nakakabawas ng pagkatao kung wala ka pang sasakyan, malaking savings, milyon na insurance, maraming properties, travel outside the country, lifetime partner, o significant success sa career o negosyo. Huwag mong iko-kumpara ang progress mo sa iba dahil kanya-kanya tayong timing at kanya-kanya tayong hinaharap ng mga problema at pagsubok. At may kasabihan, di ba? Bilog ang mundo. Malay mo, nauna man sila ngayon, pero darating din sa panahon na ikaw rin ang aangat. Darating din ang winning moment mo. Tiwala lang. Drop agree. Naniniwala ako sa'yo. Taon mo to.
Everyone makes mistakes in life. But that doesn't mean that they have to pay for them for the rest of their life. Sometimes good people make bad choices. But that doesn't mean that they're bad. It just means that they're human.